In this video, I am going to show you how to connect your HyperX Cloud Alpha Wireless headset to your phone. Whether you want to use it for gaming, calls, or music, follow these simple steps to get connected. Step 1. Turn on your HyperX Cloud Alpha Wireless headset. Start by turning on your HyperX Cloud Alpha Wireless headset. Press and hold the power button on the headset until the LED indicator turns on. Step 2. Enable Bluetooth on your phone. Go to your phone settings and make sure Bluetooth is turned on. This will allow your phone to search for available devices to connect to. Step 3. Put the headset in pairing mode. Now, on your HyperX Cloud Alpha Wireless headset, press and hold the Bluetooth button, typically located on the headset's left ear cup, for about 5 seconds until the LED indicator starts flashing blue. This means the headset is in pairing mode. Step 4. Pair the headset with your phone. On your phone, open the Bluetooth settings and look for your HyperX Cloud Alpha Wireless headset under the list of available devices. Once it appears, tap on it to pair. Step 5. Confirm connection. Once the connection is successful, you should hear a sound in the headset or see a solid blue light on the headset. You can now start using your headset with your phone. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.